Best deals.
1. Ghee container. A perfect multi-purpose storage container. Can be used for oil, ghee, storage. It has easy open lids, easy to clean. Highly durable and made of fine quality stainless steel. It's easy to store in kitchen cupboards, has uniquely designed, supreme glossy mirror finish, elegant appearance decorates your kitchen and dining table. The small design of the spout prevents the oil from dripping out of the spout. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Lunch box. Keeps your child's food hot or cold for an impressive 5 to 6 hours, ensuring a satisfying meal even during long school days. Stainless steel pressurizing latches add an extra layer of security and durability. The lunch box is designed with a convenient collapsible handle, making it easy for kids to carry. Its slim stainless steel body fits comfortably into any bag, ensuring a hassle-free and stylish lunchtime. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the smart design, making it an ideal lunch box for school. The inclusion of partitions allows your child to carry more than one dish in each container, making it perfect for kids who prefer a variety of food options in their tiffin box. The lunch box includes heat-protective finger grips for safe handling, ensuring your child's hands are protected from hot contents. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Grill. Prepare a variety of dishes with these including pizza, dosa, chilla, paratha, pancakes, omelets, grilled vegetables, paneer, sandwiches and more. A versatile kitchen appliance for everyday cooking and snacks. Designed with a spacious cooking area that accommodates pizzas up to 25 centimeters in diameter while providing ample space for making dosas, parathas, pancakes and other breakfast favorites. Features separate thermostat switches for the upper and lower heating plates, allowing better temperature control and even cooking results for different recipes. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Coconut breaker. Is a unique device specially designed to break the coconut into two halves. Coconut can be easily broken on this and water collects in the tray. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Rolling pin holder. Is as light as a feather and handy, making it easy to install and mount anywhere in the kitchen. The compact size of the stand takes less space in the kitchen. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Grater. With minimal effort you can perfectly shred and slice cheese and vegetables. Get creative and make dinner exciting again by grating, slicing and making fresh zest to take your meals to another level. Container is made with premium material for extra durability. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Dosa tawa. Made of high quality triple E material. 0% contact with aluminum and 100% PFOA free. Quick and uniform heat distribution with no hot spots for quick and healthy cooking. It doesn't need hours of scrubbing to clean and is easy to maintain. It's scratch resistant and metal spatula safe. Fitted with custom-made investment cast stainless steel handles for a more ergonomic grip. Innovative honeycomb design reduces surface abrasion, offers excellent food release, and supports healthy, low-oil cooking with long-lasting durability. Kadai ensuring even heat distribution, less cooking time and minimum burning of food. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Mini idli stand. Make 12 delicious, fluffy idlis at a time, in 6 minutes. Made from pure virgin aluminum. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Sealing machine. Comes with both heat sealing and a sharp stainless steel blade. The sealing machine for food packets helps keep food fresh by sealing food vacuum bags or chips bags directly. Creates an airtight seal to prevent spoilage, dust, bacteria, and stale taste. Equipped with a 400 mAh rechargeable battery, this portable sealing machine is more sustainable. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Toaster. Griller fully opens to 180 degree, which doubles the efficiency and enables the option for full grilling. Moreover, we can close it to make contact grill. The bigger plate dimension of 230 by 145 mm makes sure that it be used as panini maker and sandwich grill press, BBQ, and chicken griller. Made with a slim design that makes it easy to set up, it also doesn't take so much space on your counter, making it perfect for grilling indoors. Cafe-style floating lid adjusts to the thickness of any food, leaving charred grill marks on anything you desire. This means you aren't limited to just paninis or grill sandwiches. You are free to grill, say, fresh steaks, fish, chicken, chops, and more. The unit will cycle on and off to maintain the desired cooking temperature and to avoid overcooking. It is fully automatic device, so no manual setting is required. Non-stick coated plates quickly and evenly heat up your food with 750 watts of power, so there's no need to flip it or even watch over it. It comes equipped with auto shut-off technology, which turns the grill off when your food is ready. It also has two illuminated indicator lights. Red tells you that it's preheating and green tells you it's ready to cook. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Lunch box. Each container is designed with lightweight, leak-proof, and airtight lids that help prevent spills while keeping your food fresh and hygienic for longer hours. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade materials, the stiffened set ensures durability, safety, and reliable performance for everyday use. The insulated black outer jacket enhances portability and helps maintain food temperature. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cutlery tray. Made from high-quality, BPA-free PP plastic, this cutlery tray organizer is food-safe, durable, waterproof, and long-lasting. Expandable drawer organizer with 8 compartments and adjustable side panels that expand to fit most kitchen drawers. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Drawer. Perfect for organizing clothes, toys, makeup, kitchen essentials, and more. An ideal plastic cupboard or baby almirah for versatile home use. Made with strong, lightweight plastic, this modular drawer storage unit offers long-lasting durability, ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, or kids' rooms. This compact plastic drawer organizer fits seamlessly as a wardrobe, plastic cabinet, cosmetic organizer shelf, or kitchen storage rack for home. From a small almirah or makeup organizer box to a rack for storage multi-purpose, it's perfect for every room's clutter-free look. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Sink caddy. Helps keep your sink accessories tidy, making it a must-have among new house essentials, while the kitchen sink caddy adds extra convenience. Dispenser doubles as a stylish kitchen dispenser, blending functionality with decor items for kitchen and enhancing your space with beautiful kitchen aesthetic items. Elevate your space with kitchen decor items stylish enough to complement any modern kitchen. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Mortar and pestle. Made from durable, high-quality stone for long-lasting use in a rustic aesthetic. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Mixer grinder. Is an 800-watt mixer grinder built to handle tough ingredients with ease, ideal for chutneys, batters, and more, making it one of the best mixer grinders for Indian kitchens. Equipped with 4 leak-proof jars, this mixer grinder features advanced interlocking lids that ensure safe, spill-free grinding and juicing, even during high-speed operations. This mixer grinder comes with a dedicated grinder jar that allows you to grind spices, coffee, lentils, and more, all with smooth precision and high durability for everyday cooking needs. With its blending jar, this mixer grinder with juicer function lets you make fresh juices, smoothies, and shakes. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Pot holders. Give full protection to your hands while handling heated dishes, casseroles and ladles. Superior quality eco-friendly cotton fabric, quilted with thick cotton padding, gives a durable, long-lasting, daily use and wash product. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cooker. Boil eggs, steam vegetables, and prepare quick meals with one compact appliance. Ideal for healthy breakfasts, snacks, and everyday cooking. Comes with an extra steaming rack for 2-level steaming, perfect for vegetables, momos, seafood, and other healthy dishes while preserving nutrients and flavor. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dosa maker. Now with just one click, you can have multiple dosas that are crispy and crunchy. Cleaning is the hardest task and time-consuming after you prepare food. With Egg Flip, cleaning has become hassle-free and effortless. And guess what? You do not require so much time to clean once you are done making multiple dosas at just one click of a button. A wide range of dosas like carrot, pudina, beetroot, cheese and even chocolate dosas are now easy to make. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Containers. Perfect for snacks, dry ingredients, sauces, leftovers and many more. Lock and lock containers are ideal for getting the refrigerator and cupboards organized or for bringing extra ingredients or side dishes to parties and picnics. BPA-free construction provides a healthy, versatile, and convenient storage solution for the refrigerator, freezer, pantry, or anywhere your foods need to stay fresh and organized. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Pepper Grinder Set. A precision-engineered ceramic burr handles sea salt, Himalayan pink salt, black peppercorns, and other dry spices with consistent precision, staying sharp far longer than steel blades and never imparting a metallic aftertaste, while the durable 201-grade stainless steel body resists rust, scratches, and the daily wear of a busy kitchen. The single button, push-to-grind design lets the motor do all the work while you cook, plate, and serve with one hand free for the pan, perfect for busy weeknight dinners and dinner party hosting alike, elegant enough to be a thoughtful housewarming, wedding, or festive gift. Powered by a built-in 500 mAh lithium battery and USB Type-C charging, the Instacupper salt and pepper grinder set delivers smooth, consistent grinds at the press of a button, no more wrist strain from manual twisting and no disposable batteries to replace. Every element of the design is built to live on your countertop or dining table with pride. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Ironing mat. Anti-skid design ensures it stays firm while you use a steam press for a smooth finish without a board. It serves as a foldable alternative to a heavy stand and features a heat-resistant iron rest for your iron box on any flat tabletop. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Gas burner stand. Protect your kitchen countertop, dining floor or table from direct heat. It is a standard size product that fits on most of the gas burners. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Oil dispenser bottle. Compact and space-saving, yet holds ample oil for daily cooking, grilling, or baking needs. Reusable and transparent, made from clear glass with a food-grade PP cap and a silicone basting brush, this olive oil dispenser is eco-friendly, durable, and safe for everyday use. The transparent design allows you to easily identify the contents at a glance. The glass oil dispenser bottle can be filled with most types of oil and liquid sauces for salad making, cooking, baking, pickling, barbecue, frying, marinating, roasting, grilling. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Citrus Press Juicer. Features a large 1L capacity, ideal for preparing fresh orange, mosambi, lemon, and other citrus juices for the whole family. Equipped with efficient two-way rotation and multiple cone sizes, extracts more juice from both small and large citrus fruits with minimal effort. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Ice Cube Tray. Is made of PP material, which could be used for a long time without being broken because it is long-lasting. Ice tubes are perfect for sports drinks, bottled sodas, water bottles, and more. Just pour water into the lower half like any normal ice tray, place the upper half on top, then place the complete tray right into the freezer. When the ice is frozen, just pop out a tube, drop it into a water bottle and enjoy. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Dustbin. A BPA-free and made up of 100% food-grade material that can be used for both dry and wet waste. Its robust design and attractive colors match any ambience and make it ideal for both office and home. Its creative design and smooth pedals and swings make it a hassle-free experience. Dustbin's lids are sturdily made with the highest grade plastic that prevents odor from escaping. Its unique designs and colors make it a perfect match for any household. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Grinder. 3-liter stainless steel drum allows you to grind sufficient quantities for family meals, making it ideal for preparing idli, dosa, and vada batters. Includes top wiper for smooth grinding, spatula, dough hook, and additional attachments for versatile food preparation. Grinder with compact, space-saving design and stable base with anti-slip feet for secure operation. Features high-quality stainless steel grinding chamber and robust motor housing in white finish, designed for long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. This innovative 3-liter tabletop wet grinder combines time-honored pestle and grinding stone revolving methods with contemporary convenience, making it perfect for preparing idli and dosa batters, chutneys, and masala pastes. The world's first batter dispatch tabletop wet grinder features a unique top wiper design that ensures smooth, consistent grinding whilst minimizing waste. Its stainless steel grinding chamber and durable grinding stones deliver superior results, producing silky smooth batters that rival those made by hand. The compact white design with sturdy base ensures stability during operation, whilst the included accessories, replacement grinding stones, spatula, and various attachments, provide everything you need to get started. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Kadhai. Crafted with nitrided iron, the surface is hardened to resist abrasion, while its corrosion-resistant and low-porosity finish means it uses less oil and is less likely to rust. The non-reactive surface ensures your food retains its natural taste without unwanted reactions. Ideal for curries, gravies, frying, searing, or snacks. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Lunchbox. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this lunchbox resists rust, corrosion, and wear, offering reliable performance for years. Made from premium food-grade stainless steel, ensuring meals remain free from harmful toxins, chemicals, and contaminants for a healthier dining experience. Product link is given in the 30th link.